If you've been looking for a way to get Norton Secure VPN FREE for 1 year, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you an official promotional offer that lets eligible users claim Norton Secure VPN at no cost for 12 months. We'll go through the entire process step by step, explain the eligibility requirements, and show you exactly how to activate the offer. If you want a trusted VPN to protect your privacy, secure your browsing on public Wi-Fi, and access a premium VPN without paying, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So this is the original price of, here you can see, 360 Deluxe for the price 4.17 cent monthly, but you will get for a complete year in a completely free and for 5 device. Here you can see this is the original pricing page, but I have this magic link. By this link you will get 360 Deluxe free, 100% free. Here you can see, just I will give this magic link in this video description and in a comment box also. So just visit the link and click on this claim your free year. Just choose Deluxe and click on this subscribe now button. And here you can see promotional code. I will give a promotional code in this video description, so don't worry. Just paste or type this promotional code and click on this apply button. And now here you can see we are on a payment page detail, and here you can see for 3 device and $99, but after promo code applied the total amount is €0. Now we need to paste our email address, so let's paste our email address. You can use your Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail or any email address. Now here you can see you need to simply use your credit card, debit card, or if you don't have anything, so I will suggest you to join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐏𝐫𝐲𝐬𝐭 YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.